It's a rainy day. The sky is covered with clouds, the birds are chirping, the sound of leaves, the smell of soil are creating ambience for us. Or think of sitting in a train beside the window. The sound of the passing trees, fields, the friction of the rail tracks are very known to all of us. How about sitting closed eyes on a beach and listening to the ocean waves hitting the land? Or maybe you like to watch hours and hours watching birds flying in and out of the trees, chirping and dancing. But do you know how the outer space sounds like? How our planet Earth, the Sun, the other planets of our solar system, empty space, black holes, pulsars or quasars sounds like? Or do you know how our ancient universe sounds like just after the Big Bang, before the stars were born, when our known universe was mere a hot and bright soup of plasma? Today we will explore the sound of the unknowns by the help of a process called sonification. And experience the sounds, which are impossible to hear without the process, as sounds cannot travel through empty space. So without wasting time, let's listen to these mind-boggling and creepy sounds of the different mega-objects of the universe which we may have seen but never heard their majestic sounds. At first let's listen to our star, Sun, by the help of which life exists on Earth. The whooshing and whooping sounds of the Sun is being created through the series of nuclear fusion taking place in the core of the Sun, and the charged particles coming out of the Sun, and bombarded to the planets as they travel through space. If sound could travel through empty space, then we all would have lost hearing. Next, we would listen how the planet Earth, our home, sounds from space. How about listening to the sound of the planet which is often mentioned as the sister planet to Earth, the Venus? So the next sound clip is of Venus from space. Up next we will listen to the sound of one of the gas giants, Saturn. Now, we will listen to the sound of Pluto through space. Next is the sound of interstellar space, out of our solar system.
The next audio clip comes from one of the most mysterious and bizarre objects ever discovered in the universe. A supermassive black hole. Now it's time to listen to the mighty and mysterious pulsars, a special kind of neutron stars, which are the fastest spinning objects in the universe. And these celestial bodies are created with the dead stars. And now we almost reached to the end of this video. And the last audio clip, but not the least, is of the universe just after the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago. When everything had just came into existence, time, space, matter, energy and everything we see today. When the stars were newly born, when the universe was a chaotic place covered with clouds of hot and bright gas and plasma. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, then do like, share and consider subscribing for more contents like this.